Hello, today I'm presenting Module 6 assignment. My name is Adrienne Gieslin and this is for the Human Development class. Telomeres are protective barriers at the ends of chromosomes, preventing them from sticking together. They do not hold DNA information, which is a key benefit. Small amounts of DNA are lost each time cell division occurs. The telomeres protect chromosomes, preventing them from getting lost during the process. As cells divide, the telomeres shorten each time, protecting the chromosomes. When the telomeres become too short, the chromosomes die or become inactive. Aging is a result of the shortening of the telomeres. Next is sexual activity. Frequency of sexual activity depends on three factors: age of consenting adults, if they are in a committed relationship, and the amount of time they have been in their relationship. Single adults have more partners, but committed couples have more sex more often. 80% of hookups are reported to be satisfying, while committed relationship sex increases to 88%. Sexual activity, committed relationships. Most adults desire to settle down and be in a committed relationship. Life stressors such as jobs, kids, and bills can slow down the frequency of sex. Beyond once a week, the frequency of sex does not determine their happiness. Sexual activity and hookups. College students often engage in hookups due to the lack of time to be in a committed relationship. It causes women regrets and reduced self-esteem. Casual sex can cause a decrease in sexual satisfaction. Expertise. An expert is a person who is extensively knowledgeable in a field. Expertise begins when a college student picks their major and increases over many years working in their field. Achieved expertise has a large impact on information processing. Experts are capable of quickly and efficiently remembering and reasoning problems and solutions. Compared to novices, an expert can represent domain concepts in a richer way. Problems are approached by experts with underlying principles being taken into consideration. Only experts can systematically plan, analyze elements, and choose the best option. Expertise is a necessity to having creativity. Mature creativity requires one to have the ability to create new, meaningful issues and ask questions that have not been asked before. Core feature of highly creative professionals is being able to move from problem solving to problem finding. Not all experts are creative. Creativity requires thinking outside of the box. The college environment. College years are often reported by adults as being the most influential years of their life. Students use this time as a developmental experiment as they test various values, beliefs, and roles. New experiences expose students to new freedoms, opportunities, and ideas. Students can better view complex issues from both sides. Racial and ethnic diversity tolerance increases, often look deeper at themselves when exposed to various worldviews. While looking at themselves, students gain a higher sense of self-understanding and gain self-esteem, confidence, and a greater sense of their identity. In today's way of living, education is more required for the first level of jobs than it ever has been. The amount of children seeking education after high school have remarkably increased. Due to so many children obtaining an education, there is greater delay in them becoming financially stable and starting a career. Levinson's Seasons of Life. Levinson believes that most young people dream of what they want to be when they grow up. This dream is used to motivate goals to be made and achievements to be made. Young men and young women frequently have different dreams. Women often have a split dream. Half the time they dream of marriage and starting a family, and the other half the time they dream of a career. Young women who focus on an early career switch their focus to marriage and individualistic goals once they hit about 30 years old. Men dream of having a career. They spend their 20s acquiring skills and earning credentials within their company. They focus on relationships and aspirations. Their values include prestige, achievements, family, and wealth.